It was an incredible experience. I thought it was like quite challenging going up, but then coming down, oh my God.
Being in the mountains, it's just awe-inspiring. It makes you realise how small and insignificant you are against the scale of the Himalayas. The range of challenges are just vast.
This is definitely the lowest temperatures I've ever ridden a motorcycle in.
Just look around you. I mean, this place has got it all.
I was destined to be a polar explorer. In 1992, at the age of 22, I did the SAS selection course. At the time, I was one of the youngest people ever to get into the SAS. In 2011 was when I got my first opportunity to go on a proper polar expedition down to Antarctica. In 2016, and took 5 young army soldiers. We did a 1,100 mile complete crossing of the Antarctic landmass in 67 days, so that was amazing.
An explorer, for me, is someone that goes out there, pushes their own personal limits and takes on truly adventurous challenges.
You just feel like this tiny little speck when you're riding in these like huge valleys with these massive peaks. I'm really impressed with it. I think it's a great motorcycle. It's a brilliant all-rounder. You really feel like you're sat in the bike, and it's so stable on these long sweeping bends, you know, with lots of twisty roads. The bike feels incredible. And likewise the off-road, you know, we fitted the chains and we went into some like pretty deep snow. Again, the bike was like handling that, you know, we're riding through deep snow, and we're riding through sand dunes on it. Whatever we've thrown at it, the bike has just soaked it up and just kind of, you know, taken it all. Your hands and stuff are really cold, so what you have to do is counteract it, and you literally stand there and you just windmill your arms and force the blood back into your hands.
The single most thing that attracted me to this expedition was the fact that the outcome was far from certain. There was no guarantee of success, and for me that made it a genuine challenge.